again from southeastern Virginia, where it is an awesome, beautiful day. I don't know how it is around your way, but the sunshine just follows us around here. It's so sweet. I got this little spar out of the jig, got it flipped over, got to pull some staples from it. And then I got my top edge, which is the rounded edge, over here. I'm going to block it in. Then I'm going to glue this on top of it there. Then when it dries, I'm going to flip it over and put it in the intermediates. Meanwhile, I'll cut out some of these. But we're working on the wing finally. We've got, I think, almost all the parts I need to finish it. I just need time now. Time is precious right now. Let me start let me go ahead and block this up, get it out of the way. Get a little extra room here. I hope God's blessing your life like He is ours around here. You know, He looks out for us pretty good. Got that rain the other day, and that's how you make flowers, you know. That rain. Here. Okay. I think I might staple that down. All right. Now I need the ruler. I need this thing to be exactly 6 7/8 from this bulkhead. When I put it on here, let me see how that works out. See, I'm gonna have to hold it out. Remember, there's a little angle on this piece right here. All right. Six and 7/8. I gotta hold it out to about right there. It works out perfectly. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this. I'm gonna cut this little spot right here later. I need to get the ball on the ball on this thing. Put the gloves on. You know, we're in for some construction activities when you put the gloves on. In fact, progress can probably be measured to how much time you have your gloves on. Oh, I got a adult sterile tongue depressor, courtesy of my latest doctor visit a month or so ago. A little bit thinner than a popsicle stick too. It's pretty good, you know, flexible stuff. I like it. I don't know what it's made out of, but that's what we're going to, our spreader of choice is going to be today. Okay, got the epoxy been warmed up a little bit before. I don't know, still got a third left. I think I'll be able to probably finish this wing maybe with this amount. Won't finish the plane. We'll put this on, staple it on. There's a bunch of stuff that still got to go on there. Some ribs, some where the attaches to the spar on the plane, where it attaches to the braces on the plane. Some pretty tricky stuff. Some cross members, some gussets. I was thinking about building both spars, while I'm thinking about it. And I got the layout on the table, of course. I think I'm going to build this spar first, make sure I didn't do something wrong and do it twice wrong. I got a feeling when I build the second one, I'm going to learn from my mistakes on this one like everything else. And of course, it'll be a little bit higher quality, I'm thinking. This is the starboard side, so I'm talking to about the port side. And those of you folks, I know I got some folks that are just family watching, might not know port and starboard. If you're sitting in the plane, port is on the left. You're looking forward. Same thing with a ship. They do that because it's confusing when you say left, and they say, well, which left? But if you say port, they know what you're talking about. Woo! Well, that's a pain in the butt. All right. Now I got to do the spar. And I got to make some more. Yeah. Woo! All right. Okay. I need to clamp this down when I get done. Pot clean on that one. Okay. Let that dry. Take the staples out, flip it over, and gonna have a spar there. It's gonna be nice. 6 7/8 on the nose. 6 7/8 on the nose. Okay. Even a blind squirrel can find a nut every now and then, huh? Let's make some of these. All right, so I've taken this one here and went back and forth over top the original drawing and stuff till I got it like almost exactly like it's supposed to be. Here's a little notch where the very nosing's gonna go. I'm gonna cut it in here. Then I got a bunch of these to cut out. I get a bunch of these in rows and it looks like a wing. All right, when I come back, I'm gonna have all these cut and a thorough neck ache. And I might have them sanded, I don't know. Probably have the staples on that spar removed, and I'll have it flipped over. We'll start building all the structural members on the spar and finish the spar up, hopefully. And I hope to do that real soon. Hope to see you again very soon. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you pray to God to bless you and everybody around you, like I do you. Take care.